Welcome to Cookin with James. Let's get cooking. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cookin with James. I'm your host James. I just want to say I'm blown away. We are at 222 subscribers, 1,800 and almost 50 views, all because of you. All my subscribers, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. Big shout out to you guys. And one quick shout out I want to give is to Cookin with CJ. Touch on that a little bit later, but check his channel out. It's going to be in the description down below. I have an iCard as well. So let's go ahead and get into what we're doing today, which is going to be flawless Asian infused fried rice. Now this rice looks like regular white rice. It is. It's jasmine rice. Get that for sure. And just follow the instructions. It's 2 cups of water per every 1 cup of rice. Boil it, takes like 20 minutes. This is 3 total cups. And what you want to do is after it's done, put it on a cookie sheet or something like this and leave it out on the counter. And then every 30 minutes or so, just give it a little turn. All you're trying to do is get the moisture out of the rice. That's it. So after about a couple hours, you can stick it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. That's going to draw some of the or the rest of the moisture kind of out of it, and that's actually where we're at right now. We just pulled it out, so that's what we're making today. I'm going to go light the griddle, and we'll see you out there. All right, guys. So we're out to Blackstone. Got some heat going here. Got the rice. We're just going to go ahead and oil this real quick. So got the rice over here. I'm going to oil this whole griddle real quick. Some oil down. We're good. Now we've got the rice. I just threw it into a bowl real quick. Let's go ahead and throw that rice on. Alright, so we're not going to keep you long here. This is a super simple process. This stuff is already non-sticky. It's already just falling apart. So the oil and everything just combining, and yeah, that's what's going on here. We're already getting some browning on the rice. That's awesome. All right, guys, so we want the rice on. This is what I'm going to be doing just like this for about the next, 4 or 5 minutes or whatever. So you're not going to be missing anything. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this right now. Exactly what I'll be doing for the next few minutes. I might let it sit for just a couple minutes here and there, but for the next 4 or 5 minutes, that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll be right back when we get you to the next stage. Alright guys, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes of just tossing and turning the rice, so we're looking good. Now we're just going to do some sesame oil. This stuff goes a long way. So 3 cups of rice, I'm going to say probably about a tablespoon. You're just going to drizzle that on there, even maybe a little less, about 3/4 of a tablespoon actually of that. And then once you put that on, yeah, you just kind of work that into the rice. Alright guys, so that is the first ingredient there. Now we're going to give this probably about a minute or so of that. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and set that there. We're going to drop some oil, some olive oil here and all over here. We've got surprises. I got chicken and I got beef. Boom. Alright, so that's going to be over here for just a minute. This is going to be just simmering. I'm going to get to stirring this stuff around and then separating all this stuff, so we'll be back in probably about 2 minutes or so. Alright guys, we're back. It's been about 2-ish minutes. We're going to go ahead and dump some oyster sauce on this rice. Now this is also probably not even a teaspoon. Probably, I'm going to say, yeah, also about 3/4 of a teaspoon of the oyster sauce. And got some garlic salt. Gonna hit that. Got some chicken. Hit that. Got some coarse black pepper. We're gonna hit that. Looking amazing. Alright guys, so we got this going. Once you put that oyster sauce on there, give it a nice stir, get all that stuff in there. Get it infused into the rice. And this griddle is hot. It is really hot. So I'm just going to keep on stirring this around probably for just a few minutes. And once we're done with that, we'll be right back with you. All right. All right, guys, it's been about 3 minutes. Rice is looking beautiful. Got the beef, got the chicken. We're gonna go ahead and throw some soy sauce. This is probably about a half about a full teaspoon is what that's gonna be. That's gonna be about a full teaspoon. And we're also gonna drop, we got some vegetables, some red, green, bell peppers, onions. I got some cabbage also. I'm gonna stick that over here, let that marinate for a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and stir this rice. That smells awesome. All right, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and, this has probably got another 4 or 5 minutes till this is done. The meat is pretty much almost done as well. So we'll bring you back in just a few minutes here, kind of show you what we're doing. So we will see you guys in just a minute. All right guys, it's been a few minutes. Rice is done, looking amazing, awesome rice. I got the beef with the vegetables here, the chicken. That's gonna be probably another video, but it's looking and smelling amazing. We're gonna get the rice off, get it into a bowl, get it inside, and then we're gonna get this as well. So we'll actually see you guys in a couple minutes. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and touch on the 200 plus subscribers, a free t-shirt giveaway. We are going to do a live stream and a video will be sent out next week where you guys can simply go in and comment and enter. It's super easy. And that's actually the end of season 1. And so we're gonna be heading into season 2. We ended with a really good cook. So I just wanna say thanks to all my subscribers and the support. And make sure your fires are hot and your beers are cold, and we will see you on season 2. All right, so hold on, we're gonna do, okay, so she said woohoo, and
Spicy.
it's spicy.
I put a lot of sriracha.
Oh, she put a lot of sriracha. And?
It's phenomenal.
It's phenomenal?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna die.
You're gonna die? You don't die from eating good food.
If it's good.
Oh, I guess if it's good. So on a scale from 1 to 10?
1,000.
And you? From 1 to 10?
10.
Okay, look, I'm gonna tell you like this. These are my daughters, and if my family says it's a 10, they would never lie, and it's 1,000, okay? So, that's awesome. Behind the scenes, tasting with the family.